He is currently 11 years old and has been handled by Kamal Sharma. Remor has successfully completed 6 months training at National Training Center for Dogs BSF Tekanpur of Madhya Pradesh prior to the induction in MLP K9 unit. During his service with the K9 unit, he was awarded the Medal of Honor by the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya in the year 2019 on the occasion of the 73rd celebration of Independence Day. Remor has also played a key role in detecting approximately 39 grams of suspected heroin from a house located at Assam Bazar, Happy Valley. He was also instrumental in recovering contraband substance that is heroin from Umsne Ripoy, the value of which was around rupees 5 crores. Today, as Remo retires from active duty, we salute the years of loyal service rendered to the state of Meghalaya. May I now humbly request the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya come in charge. Let us all acknowledge his dedication with a warm round of applause. 10 successful years of exemplary service to the force. Currently 11 years old, Resta underwent 6 months of training at the National Training Center for Dogs BSF Tekanpur, Madhya Pradesh before being inducted into the MLP K9 unit. Since then, he has served with unwavering commitment under the capable handling of the Gasper Lindor. K9 Brester was instrumental in the detection of explosives in 2021 near St. Thomas Church under Chokpot Police Station, South Garo Hills, Bagmara. He further played a crucial role in successful explosive detections in 2023 at Makrekre under Tikritila Police Station and at Anugre under Jenja Police Station in West Garo Hills. Today, we honor Resta for his courage, precision and loyal service in safeguarding countless lives. May I now request our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, to kindly felicitate K9 Resta in recognition of his
Arm. Ist das Flut? Jenser. Und. Beugt hoch. Das ist Flut.
A heartfelt applause please for this loyal guardian.